Today we're making the viral Dubai IFFA creamy chicken. It's rich, spicy, cheesy, and absolutely delicious. Let's get started.
First, turn on the stove and heat your pan.
Add a little oil, just enough to cook the chicken.
Now add fresh chopped garlic for strong flavor.
Add your boneless chicken and spread it evenly. Cook on medium heat until the chicken turns golden and fully cooked. Add salt to taste. Just a pinch will do. Now, give it a good stir. Now add black pepper, paprika, and a little chili powder. Mix well until everything is evenly coated.
Mix mayonnaise, ketchup, and hot sauce to make the creamy base.
Now add the sauce to the chicken and mix well.
Mix everything well until the chicken is fully coated.
For extra richness, add a little fresh cream. Now add plenty of mozzarella on top. This is what makes it extra cheesy and delicious.
Just look at that cheese. Perfectly melted, creamy, and stretchy. This is so creamy and flavorful. The spices are perfect, and that cheese makes it amazing. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Try it at home and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you in the next video.